Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 40b, in which we will learn the imperative forms of two verbs starting with u'bud, ukhluq. You know that there are 4 important styles of a verb. For the first 2 styles, we have learned the 3 verb keys. And what are they? Fataha, yaftahu, iftah. And the second one is nasara, yansuru, unsur. Let's take 2 more verbs now. Abada, he worshipped, and khalaqa, he created. For abada, if you know the madi ki, abada, you can make the rest. Like abadu, abatta, abattu, abattum, abadna. Similarly, if you have the mudari' ki, ya'budu, you can make the rest. Ya'buduna, ta'budu, a'budu, ta'buduna, na'budu. And the amr key will be u'bud. Abada, ya'budu, u'bud. Similarly, for khalaqa, it will be khalaqa, yakhluqu, ukhluq. Can you translate? U'bud,
worship.
U'budu,
Worship.
La ta'bud,
Don't worship.
La ta'budu,
Don't worship.
U'bud,
Worship.
U'budu,
Worship.
La ta'bud,
Don't worship.
La ta'budu,
Don't worship.
Okay, repeat after me. U'bud, u'budu,
Ubud, ubudu.
La ta'bud, La ta'budu,
La ta'bud, la ta'budu.
U'bud, u'budu,
Ubud, ubudu.
La ta'bud, La ta'budu.
La ta'bud, la ta'budu.
MashaAllah. Now, can you answer me? I will say u'bud, worship. You will say sawfa a'budu, soon I will worship. Similarly, when I say u'budu, worship, you will say sawfa na'budu, soon we will worship. So can you answer me? U'bud,
Sawfa a'budu.
u'budu.
Sawfa na'budu.
Okay, now I will add an object here. U'bud, worship Allah, Allah. So in response, I don't want you to say sawfa a'budu Allah, we are worshipping Allah. So you will just say a'budu Allah, I worship Allah. Okay, and similarly u'budu Allah, you will say na'budu Allah, we are already worshipping Allah. So can you answer me? U'bud Allah,
A'budu Allah.
u'budu Allah.
Na'budu Allah.
Again, u'bud Allah,
A'budu Allah.
u'budu Allah.
Na'budu Allah.
MashaAllah. Let's take another verb here. Can you translate? Ukhluq,
Create.
ukhluqu,
Create.
la takhluq,
Don't create.
la takhluqu.
Don't create.
Again, ukhluq,
Create.
ukhluqu,
Create.
la takhluq,
Don't create.
la takhluqu.
Don't create.
Okay, repeat after me. Ukhluq, ukhluqu,
Ukhluq. Ukhluqu.
la takhluq, la takhluqu.
La takhluq. La takhluqu.
اخلق اخلقوا
Ukhluq. Ukhluqu.
لا تخلق لا تخلقوا
La takhluq. La takhluqu.
ما شاء الله. That's it for now. جزاكم الله خير. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.